of shit on my mind. I'm trying to relax but I keep on stressing. Rather bottle it up, start talking, that shit's depressing. Rather be on my lonelies, cut through town, just me and my weapon. Too many kids wanna live this life, screaming back your brethren. Like why did you back it? Would've thought there was a trampoline. The way I made the dotty do backflips. The life I live is so savage.
Welcome back, ladies and welcome back to the first welcome back everyone to the first race meeting of the year. Hopefully, this is 2 days before. This car's not ready, and that car's not ready, and we're both going. So yeah, that's good. So today, like I say, it's Thursday, so it's 2 days before the meeting. But I thought I'd film this anyway. We need to change the brake fluid in the car because it's too thin, I think, and it's leaking out of orifices. So we're going to put normal .4 brake fluid back in it. So we need to do that. I need to grind I need to flappy disc the brake discs, because as you can see the brake discs have gotten a bit rusty. And you could probably do it driving around the field where you felt the brake, but I want to make sure that they're all completely clean. So for the sake of like 10 minutes, I'm going to do that. What else do we need to do? Oh, this car annoyingly needs to go on that trailer. And then Mum's car can go on this trailer because that's just how we normally have it. But that'll be tomorrow's job. Mum's car needs the engine stabiliser changing and the sump guard putting back on, and then just checking over to make sure that it's all good. And then, yeah, like I said, this needs a couple of covers going back on, the harnesses going in, the brake discs cleaning up, and a general check over, because we've had a lot of stuff in and out of it. So that's the job for tonight. Anyway, I thought I'd film it all. There's a couple of things I haven't got done in the car, which I wanted to get done, but we just ran out of time, to be honest. These still aren't painted, which is kind of annoying. The tyres are knackered, but doesn't matter. It's a test day. We just want to go out, get used to the car. If anything falls off, then we can put it back on. Car is up. To be fair, I was a bit opposed to racing on a not racing but racing to start with. But to be fair, I'm really looking forward to it now. It'd be nice just to go out there and just go out there, not have to worry about where you're going to come and whatever. The main man's here now, sat in the car. We're just... yeah, he said he's a bit low. He reaches though. Oh, down we go, bar. I don't have a pipe big enough, so I'm doing it the ratchet way. Just letting it go all over the floor. Oh. Up. So yeah, we're just letting it run out and then topping it up with .4 because that kind of makes sense. Oh god. Everyone is here now. We're just going to cable tie all of these.
Mine's done.
Because they're kind of everywhere at the moment. These are now going on. Thanks to KM Styling for the wrap. Yeah, I'm going to have to not film this because I need spaces to go in between. So I'm going to put this on. We're back, it's Friday, we're still slaving away. Mum's cleaning it because she's being nice. We're just setting up. I don't have any clamps for these canisters. I've lost them. So we're just doing some ghetto jig to get us through tomorrow so I can buy some clamps. We're going to buy some tyres when we get there. I need to put the tyre rack on the trailer. Take that off, load the 8 up, and then we'll be ready for the morning. We're almost good to go, just need to load it up now. Sorry neighbours, it's 9 PM right now. But I think we're there. I think we're good. Finally. fully loaded. Oh, sorry neighbours. Oh dear. Let's go. It is now 5:45 AM. There's people. And we are on. The car looks lost on this trailer. But it's what we have. So we're in for a nice sunrise, I reckon. Yeah, let's get going. Oh, hello Charlie. Hello Charlie. This is a cool view. Oh yes. All important petrol. And just like that, we're on the motorway. 2 hours to go for me.
Not too bad.
Quick pit stop.
Pit stop.
We are 1 hour away. But just gonna stop to get a drink. Finally. I don't know why that felt like it took forever. But we made it.
It's probably because you were busting for a wee.
Yeah, probably. There we go. Look at the sky. Very wet outside.
That's why you bring wellies, essential material for racing.
Well, we've used just over half a gas tank, which isn't good, but we're here. I don't know where we need to go either. I don't know where the unloading is. I guess we just follow around. Oh yes, we made it. Unloading time. I'm just letting the dog out for a wee. The pits are, well, the unloading is rammed. Get it, rammed? We're on the end there. But yeah, just taking the dog for a walk and then we'll go and the car is covered in dirt from the Dodge because it's lifted. The back wheels flick all the water up, so it's covered in muddy water, but that's the least of our concerns really at the moment. So yeah, we'll get the dog back and then get ready for scrutineering. Fuel is in. Now we can fire it up, let it warm up. The sun is lovely now though. There's so many cars. Mental. Cold. We're in. These kind of people, this kind of lady here helped me turn it around, so thank you. But yeah, it's quite a cushy spot really. The start line's just there, so lovely. Look how dirty this is as well. Now we're in 4K, I can show you. Not good. Huh? Oh wow, look at that. A slow bag. There's so many really nice cars. Sick as well. The colour's so nice. It's like an NEC car. I don't know who this is, but fair play. Very nice. Got half my clobber on. They're getting clobbered up. So we can get scrutineered. This is very shiny. Oh, should have wore shoes. Ah, this is very shiny. Air in the tyres. Ryan's heavy.
I'm fed. Feeding myself.
My steering's a bit tight, so I just looked at the rack arms and they're a bit dry, so I'm hoping this is going to fix it. So thanks to the margins for letting me use your WD. As you can see, and just turn the steering wheel the other way. That's the spirit. There we go. That should help. Right, time for our maiden voyage nearly. I've got the anti-roll bars here because I don't really know where to put them. They're quite far back. And I've got one weight plate in, so I might move these back one. And then give that a go. Probably. Or do I just leave it how it is? I don't know, I'll figure it out.
Bad start.
That is a bad start. We were just saying how nice that was, weren't we?
Yeah.
Well, it still is, but... That's the reality of the moon boot, that is.
Both wheels set off.
Oh. Well, let's go see what we can feel. We've got knackered old tyres on, but that'll be alright. Ready?
I'm nervous.
Why?
I know it doesn't really count. I know it's literally just like silly. I feel like I've forgotten everything.
What's going on, guys? So for a bit of context, my aim for this first practice was obviously to feel it out, but also to try and be smoother with the steering, because I realised looking back at last year, my arms kind of go everywhere and it's horrendous. So I'm trying to, I don't know if you can tell from the video, but I was trying to keep my arms a lot more smooth around the corners. But yeah, that's what I was doing. Also, for people wondering, this is a practice day that Scania do once a year, so instead of like a normal race format, so the 8 still go out together, but it's like a staggered start rather than a full race. It's just like they call it the Scania test day, so that's why. The car was good. It needs more grip at the back. So that's what we're going to give it. And let Pip have it. Oh, we'll put another plate in for Pip as well. See how she gets on.
I wish I could put us together. As I stand on my own looking into the sky, seeing traces of you and your heart falling down in this beautiful weather. There's a feeling inside me, I cannot describe it. I want it to go on forever. As I'm spiraling down in the wind to the ground, I'll be spinning around like a feather. I'll be spinning around like a feather. I'm not quitting on you, baby, never. When you stay by my side, we together. I'm just trying my best to do better. I'm just trying my best to make change. Talk out in action, I put on my name. Control my feelings, they gotta be tamed. Control my life, praying for better days. Better days on the horizon, they coming. Stick to your ground, don't get scared, I'll be running. I know the pain in your heart, I'll be numbing. But I them. Stunning me like you a star. Open my chest and it's you in my heart. When we apart, it tears in my heart. I don't feel the same without you in my arms, no.
So in this race we took a front weight plate out as the day was getting on because I thought the track would be a bit less grippy, and we also added some anti-roll bar on the back, or sorry, softened anti-roll bar on the back I guess you'd say, moved it back, and I had too much grip, so the whole race I was struggling with understeer and stuff. I need a bigger right foot, I think. Well, oh shit. Oh, I think I had too much grip. We don't really know, but I'm going to go with that. I haven't seen a video yet that you've seen, so I need to figure that out. But because we're only staying for the day, we're just going to pack up now. It's hard to film enough footage in one day meeting. It's normally spread over two. I don't normally have a problem. But the car's together, nothing fell apart, nothing fell off, so that's always good. Oh, Smithy's going now. I'm sure his beacons will come on in a minute. Oh, beacons! Just like that. Okay, that's horrific. I'll fix this. Wait. Right, we're all strapped on. We're just waiting for Pip to get the camera out. Been doing it for about half an hour.
This is very practical. Don't have nails with guns. I actually can't.
Car didn't fall apart, which is good. We're just waiting for Pip.
Can someone help me?
Never wanted to be antisocial, but you got me feeling quite emotional. Turn my back for a second, then you're gone, girl. Took my heart, saw a bus, threw it under. You made me lose my smile, a lifetime in denial. My heart stood up on trial, so looking for a while. But now you're gone, I'm sober. You were my four-leaf clover. I just needed some closure.